Hey everyone, it's Kathy B and welcome back to my channel, Teach English with Kathy B. If you've been wanting to start teaching English online, but you don't know where to begin, or maybe you've just started, but you're struggling to get hired, stay motivated, or to figure out what is next, then this video is for you because I've created something super special to help you finally take action and start seeing real results. Don't forget to stay till the end because I've got something really special at the end for you. I'm so excited to announce my 21-day online teaching challenge launching this month inside my community. This challenge is designed to help new and inspiring online teachers go from confused and stuck to confident and hired in just 21 days. So, if you are ready to stop watching everyone else succeed and start building your own online teaching business or journey, stay with me because I'm going to tell you exactly what the challenge is and how it works and how you can join in with the challenge. Okay, let's look at some of the problems that you have. Let's be honest. Starting out as an online teacher can be so overwhelming. I've been there, done that. You might be thinking, where do I even find students? How do I stand out when there are so many teachers online? What qualifications or tools do I really need? And how do I build confidence to actually start? Have any of you felt that way? Like, where do I find students? How do I stand out when there's so many teachers online? What qualifications or tools do I really need? And how do I build confidence to actually start? If you have, pop it in the comments. Let's see where you are at and what you are struggling with. And we'll see what I can do to help you. I've been there and I know how discouraging it can be to keep researching, watching videos, and signing up for platforms, but you just don't see any results and you don't get any students. And that's exactly why I've created this 21-day challenge to help you move from information overload to taking real action and progress. Okay, so this is what the 21-day challenge is all about. It's a guided, step-by-step experience designed to help you get hired and thrive as an online teacher. It officially launches with a live Zoom call on Monday, October the 27th, where we'll set goals, get to know each other, and I'll show you how to make the most of the challenge. The Zoom call is free for anybody that wants to be joining into it. Then the very next day, Tuesday, October the 28th, we start the challenge together inside the Teach English with Kathy B community. Every day, you're going to receive small practical tasks, something that you can actually do that day to move you forward in getting hired. We'll cover things like how to discover your teaching niche and like really dive deep into that, setting up your online teaching profile. We're going to look at where to apply for legitimate online teaching jobs, how to create a simple video introduction, tips for acing your interview, and how to build confidence when you're just starting out. Each task is designed to take about 15 to 30 minutes a day, so it's totally manageable even if you are working or if you are studying. By the end of the 21-day challenge, you'll have everything you need to confidently apply for jobs, book interviews, or even attract some private students. What makes it different? You might be thinking, I've joined challenges before, but what makes this one different? What makes this one stand out from the rest? And here's the truth. Most people know what to do, but you just don't take action. You don't take consistent action either. So this challenge is all about accountability, structure, and momentum, getting yourself going. You'll be doing it alongside others in the community, people who are also learning, growing, and cheering you on from the side. We'll have daily prompts and discussions to keep you on track. weekly live check-ins for questions and encouragement, many wins and celebrations so you can actually see your progress. And I'll be there guiding you every step of the way, giving you feedback, sharing my own tips from years of teaching online, and helping you avoid the mistakes most new teachers make. Okay, so let's look at what will you achieve. So by the end of this challenge, you'll have a clear teaching direction and niche. Your online teacher profile is going to be ready to go. Your applications are going to be sent to real companies. You're going to have a video introduction recorded and uploaded and ready to go. Systems in place to manage your schedule, the confidence to keep growing and thriving as an online teacher. And you'll go from thinking about it to actually doing it. And imagine how it feels to say, I am officially teaching online because I took action. Wouldn't that really be awesome, guys? And the best part is you're not doing this alone. Inside the Teach English with Kathy B community, you'll have support, accountability, and encouragement from others on the same journey as you. You can ask questions, share wins, and learn from others who have been where you are. And if you're already teaching, it's a great way to refresh your systems, stay motivated, and even discover new ways to grow. So let's look at how can you join, because maybe you're excited and you want to get joined straight away. Okay, make sure, step 1, you have to be part of the Teach English with Kathy B community on School. I'll leave the link below. Join us for the Zoom kickoff on Monday, the 27th of October, which is free for everybody to join. And get ready to take action when we start on Tuesday, October the 28th. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. So if you're ready to make these next 21 days count and finally see some progress towards your online teaching goals, drop a comment below that says, I'm in, or head straight to the community now and click join the challenge. Okay, I can't wait to see the progress that you're going to make in these 21 days. This is your time to take action, to build confidence, and to start creating the teaching life you've always been dreaming of. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any notifications and any updates. And I'm going to see you inside the challenge. It's going to be so exciting, and it's definitely something that's going to get you on your way to teaching online. I'll see you in that challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.